It is my great pleasure to be here in Cambodia for the launch of Panasonic X Premium Inverter 2026 Air Conditioner Series. Cambodia is a strategically important market for Panasonic business in Southeast Asia. Over the years, Panasonic air conditioners have served Cambodia well, providing comfortable and healthy environment, excellent performance, and reliability. Panasonic products are designed to serve families, businesses, and communities for many generations to come.
As you may already know, that Panasonic is a truly authentic Japanese brand with more than 100 years history. Panasonic has successfully maintained #1 market share in B2C room air conditioner market in Cambodia. This achievement is not simply a number. It is also represents the confidence that customers place in Panasonic brand in the market.